So the fiqh question here, what is the proof that the top of women's feet should be covered in salah?
Well, it is in the hadiths that is the garment would cover the top portion. So that is in the hadith. And Shaykh al-Islam Taymiyyah in his Juz' for the Salah, he talks about this issue and he says that the only part that the woman she could show that when she makes prostration and there is no ajanib, people who are strangers, she could show the bottom part of her feet when she prostrates, because of prostration. So no problem, as long as there is no strangers, because the stranger are not allowed to see the back of her anyway, not just the back as in the back of the feet, the back of her, they can't be back and from behind her. Wallahu ta'ala alam. Naam. So this is the hadith Salama and others where it has to cover the front of her feet. Naam.